Court Counsel. I'm a solutions architect with Kosh Solutions, and today I want to review how we've utilized 365 to take care of these type of requirements. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. All right, so I have gone to portal.office.com and I'm at my Microsoft 365 homepage. So I'm going to click on all my apps right here. And the two apps that I'm going to discuss is Forms and Power Automate. Okay, so Forms is a utility or an application that you can use to create a form or a quiz. And so what our CEO Travis did is he created a daily health check form. Now this is the front end. This is what you see when you click on a link from that form. So on the back end, all Travis did was put some criteria in here. There's one question. You select yes or no as a bullet point and you hit submit. So what happens to that form? So in the back end of Microsoft Forms, once you hit submit, it goes to an Excel sheet that you can view, download to see who's accessed that form. Now, Travis set it up in such a way that your name and email is associated with that form. And that's because I've logged into 365 and 365 knows who I am and my email address. So then we've got the form created. We can track this information and identify who's clicked on the form, what day, when they clicked on it, and verify that they have self-checked themselves and whether they're good to come into the office or they want to stay home. But how do we get this out to the staff to make sure they do this on a daily basis? And what Travis has done is he's used Power Automate, which used to be called Flow, but they changed the name to Power Automate. What Travis did is he created a Power Automate to automatically send the link of that form to the entire staff at 7 a.m. So what happens is without any touch of a button or anything, and a Power Automate triggers at that time frame, and it sends the link right here of this form to our entire staff. Now that entire staff gets an email in their inbox. All they do is check I'm staying home today because I'm experienced these signs, or I'm good to come to the office. They hit submit, and now we have a track on a daily basis of which staff are good to come into the office or whether they need to stay home. So that's the way at Kosh we've decided to deal with the requirement on checking with their staff before they come into the office to make sure they meet the criteria for coming back to work after COVID. So thanks for tuning in and hope you have a good afternoon.